Hi everyone, today's video is going to be a house tour because I got some requests to do that. So what I'm going to talk about today is my Halloween decorations. So I do have to go to school later, so I didn't have time to like perfectly clean up everything. I think we're all on that same page. That's life. So hopefully, oh, whoops, sorry, couldn't see me for a second. Hopefully you're okay with that and you can kind of see my new apartment and our Halloween decorations. So we're in my bathroom, obviously. There's my skincare and such. I don't have a ton in here. I have this mug. I think it's a really good idea. I mean, I don't know. Like, obviously, I don't have a ridiculous amount of money to spend on Halloween decorations or decorations at all. So mugs I love. And what I did is I just bought that mug, and now it's where I hold my toothbrush and toothpaste. It's a ghost Mickey Mouse, and on the back, it says boo to you, but I pretty much just keep it like that. It's a little spooky. And then also, again, soap is something you have to have. And so this is Halloween soap from Bath & Body Works. I just feel like it makes this area look a little more spooky. And I got this. This was in the like dollar bin section at Target. Just a witch and her little monster to live here because of my puppy dogs. And I think that's pretty much what I have in the bathroom. Those are my face masks, in case you were wondering. I bought this little thing at an antique mall. Okay, so then we're in the bedroom. We didn't make the bed, sorry. That's usually John's job. Oh wait, I forgot to turn off the light. Whoopsie, turn off the light. So hopefully it's not too jerky around. So I have this set of like 4 spiderweb placemats. And I just kind of put them around the house because I don't actually use them on the table. I could if I had an event, but I just use them around the house and it makes it a little spooky. I don't have as much as I would like, but this is my Halloween jewelry. And so I leave it on this little tray. I got this tray from my advisor. And then those are hair clips. But it's my Halloween jewelry, so it makes it a little spookier. You know, just a lot of little things, really. We got these this year. These are puppy dog Halloween, what do you call them? Pillowcases. They didn't have bed sheets to match, but lots of puppy dogs, so we each have one. We only sleep with 1 pillow apiece. That's how we like it. I think that's pretty much it. There's a Kanga. Oh, Kanga does have a spooky collar. We got him at PetSmart. Hey, King, you want to show him your collar? You can't see hers great because she's got so much hair. But he's got a little spider. Oh, she doesn't want to show you. It's a spider web. Do y'all see that? And the actual collar itself is black. So she does need a haircut, but since it's going to snow here, we're not getting her a haircut. She's very... Yes, aren't you the cutest puppy in the world? Yes, you are. So there's Kanga. And Kanga's spookiness. Okay. Then the office. This is where I usually film. I don't have very many spooky things in here. These are old, like greeting cards that I thought were really cute, so I kept. Most of them are from my mom, but you can see there's 3 dachshunds and then Disney villains, because who doesn't love Disney villains? And I think that's pretty much it. Oh, there's a hippo. Hippo also, I don't know why he's in his cage right now, but there's a hippo, and he has his Halloween collar as well. It's orange and black. With those stars, the stars glow in the dark. It used to have a vampire bat, and that came off. Hippo, you look so pitiful. But he's obviously, just so you know, the cage door is open. He's choosing to be in his cage at the moment. And I have this little sign that sits on the front door of the office. It switches from in to out. Oh, look, are you coming out of your cage? He's coming out of his cage. And this is John's bathroom. Because we don't share a bathroom, because, you know, why would we if we don't have to? So the puppy's food and water stays in here. And I know that you're probably like, why is your dog bowl in the middle of the floor? Well, Kanga moves it. So we try to have like normal dog bowl placement, like right there, but Kanga will move it into the middle of the floor, so we just let her. But those are spiderweb dog bowls, and I got those at the dollar bin at Target as well. So the dollar bin Target does have some good things if you just look, and if you can kind of accumulate some things without spending too much money. That's also where I got this little trick or treat sign. And that's really all the things John has. John doesn't have any Halloween soap because we didn't have any, so his is just orange. and he doesn't really care, for being honest. So that's our Halloween stuff in there. Then in our hallway, I just have this little, it's all about the shoes bag. I don't really know what you're supposed to do with the bag itself. I guess it's too small to take trick-or-treating, but I keep it in the hallway, so then when you're looking down the hallway, it gives it some color. Obviously, all the walls are white. We might paint it eventually because I think we're probably going to stay here. This is our couch. It's an outdoor couch, but we got it on really good sale, and we do have a big balcony back there, so we'll put it out there once we get a indoor couch. But we've got that trick-or-treat pillow, came from Target, Dollar Bin. This, I think, came from Kroger, and it's got little monsters. See, we've got a witch and a mummy and Frankenstein and Dracula. And it's like those, what do you call it? Like microfiber? The really soft ones. So, I like that. Then, over here, another one of those placemats. A little bird and a pumpkin. So then, if you kind of look at that area, it looks pretty spooky, I think. I like the spooky factor. Then we have this. These are these like giant built-ins. I didn't really know what to do with them, to be honest, so I just put stuff that we liked. I don't know. I just put the stuff that we liked up there. So I added for Halloween that pumpkin. That came from Pier 1, and I got it after Halloween, and it was like 60 cents. And then that little witch shoe, and this Happy Halloween sign is a little girl with her puppy dog. So I think, you know, like I said, a lot of those stay there all the time, but I think it makes it a little spookier. And then our fireplace, of course we have to have a spooky fireplace. We don't have a mantle at the moment. It didn't come with one. I think we're going to put a floating shelf up there. But we haven't done that yet. Obviously, you know, if you own a house, we don't own this. We were renting this apartment. But you have to do things a little at a time as you can afford it. So that's what that's a plan. We do have this skeleton dachshund. I got that at Target a couple of years ago. And Hippo is terrified of it, which makes it kind of funny. But yeah, we have that. And this is the other new thing we got this year. It's a headless horseman, and it's huge, so we just keep it there. I'd kind of like the dachshund to go somewhere else, but I don't know another good place to put it. If that makes sense. If you have any ideas, let me know. And then that's the dog toy bin. We don't have any dog toys at the moment, and Hippo's actually afraid of the bin. But it's just cute over there in the corner, and another little spider web. John plays games over here. So we've got lots of cords. This cord does not usually live here across the entire living room, just to clarify. Then we have our kitchen table. We have bills on it because that's exciting. And this came from TJ Maxx. I really like it. If you can, let me turn on the light. So you see it's got glitter, and I've had it at least 4 years. So the glitter has stayed on really well. And my favorite part, the Halloween tree. Now, let me show you. This is cool. So these little, what do you call it? Lights come from the Target Dollar Bin. Again, you can get some good stuff. Oh man, and I put them inside, so then the whole tree lights up. And yeah, I kind of acquired all of the ornaments. So these big glittery ones came from Pier 1. That came from Disney World. This little set, there's a set of like 8 throughout, came from Kohl's. This guy is like Hedwig. It came from whatchamacallit, like a little boutique store in St. Augustine. The tree itself came from Pier 1. Oh, the spider web, and there's some spiders on it too, came from Michael's. Again, like that little skeleton came from that Kohl's set. That came from Disney World. So I just kind of accumulate spooky things. I like it. I feel like it's got a good amount on it without being too crowded. Then we have our baker's rack. Now, a lot of them are in the dishwasher, but what I put on this baker's rack is just pictures of us, like in our families and stuff. But you can see up there and down there, I put all of our spooky mugs on the baker's rack and kind of distribute it throughout, so it makes it a little spooky. That cup is a spooky cup, if you can tell, and a Happy Halloween bowl. So that's not super spooky. I know you can buy the spider web stuff, but the issue with the spider web stuff is that, like, it's really hard to get off, and I don't feel like it's reusable. So I'd rather not spend the money on that and just spend the money on things that are reusable, if that makes sense. This is our kitchen, and I think the only thing that was spooky in here are these, again, dollar bin little bottles, because I think they're really cool. They're kind of sciencey to me and witchy. So that we've got Ravenclaws, bug juice. This is my lunch. John packed my lunch for me because he loves me. That's a neuron. And what is that? Premium toads. Oh, toadstool clippings. There we go. And then we're gonna put these outside. So we haven't done that yet, but we got these little pumpkin lights, and so we're gonna put them outside on our balcony. We got this, again, after Halloween. I got that for like $6 at Kohl's, and it does go in the washing machine. So I put it in the washing machine. It looks brand new. And we've got spooky soap in here too. Oh, and this flask. So pretty much anything that I have that's spooky, I try to keep out just because I feel like it adds to the spookiness. So that's a poison flask. Because we usually go to, well, in Savannah, we'd go to a bar crawl for Halloween, so we needed a flask. Duh. So like I said, I think if you keep stuff out that you have, like I said, like the mugs, I keep them out and use them as decoration, so they're functional and decoration, so it kind of adds spookiness to your house. And that's pretty much everything. That's my house. Oh, I didn't show you the wallflowers. We've got these, we got 2 of these, and then we've got the dog one that's behind me in all my videos. But we did get Haunted Mansion wallflowers. And they light up green, so at night, this is our stairwell. But at night, it's spooky. So, that is our house. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked seeing my Halloween decorations and maybe got some ideas. If you have any ideas for our house, I'd love to hear them because I love to decorate. It's one of my favorite things. And yeah, as always, if you have any questions, requests, suggestions, comments, go ahead and leave them down below. And I'll just see y'all real soon. Bye.